Mobile.
Kinagabihan.
Team 27,
Yes.
Steph,
Yeah.
and Maria.
Yes. Indeed.
Ngayong gabi, kayong lahat ay magkakaroon ng isang party kung saan ang dalawang kultura ay magiging isa. Gusto ko lahat kayo ay mag-enjoy at magsaya at mas kilalanin ang isa't isa. Does everybody want to party? The night is yours.
The boys have known about this for the whole day now. This is culture swap. So Brazil, Philippines together as one. Today, you'll see, I'm not going to tell you what happens, going to keep it a surprise, but throughout the night, there are going to be things from both cultures.
Ibinahagi ng housemates ng national dance ng Pilipinas kay Steph at Maria, ang Tinikling.
Like that, Mom.
I don't know.
Match the beat is down.
The beat.
Down.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So nice. Ang boys nakisali pa sa pagsasayaw ni Steph at Maria.
3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3.
The guys dance with the, how is the name? Oh, the Tikiniki. Yeah.
What is it again?
Tikiniki? Yeah, right? No? What's the name? Tinikiling.
Right.
So nice. I want break for me.
Maya-maya si Yong naman ang pumartner kay Maria.
Come here, babe. You're like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Yung kanina yung puso ko na, tapos ang saya ko at parang nabibis ko sa loob.
Maya-maya naman, ibinahagi ni Steph at Maria ang sikat na sayaw sa Brazil, ang Limbo Dance.
You guys can't touch the bar. You just can't. You gotta be like, even though you're here, you can't touch the bar, and that's the only way you can go. Okay? And you're gonna go dance.
Okay. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're gonna dance.
Sorry.
Just like, okay, like this?
Oh, Marco.
Natuto po ako ng mga laro, yung limbo, yung dance nila, which is a really good thing kasi gusto ko talaga maging close sila, kuya.
Yo, Marco!
Si Yong ang nagpakitang gilas sa lahat.
Come on! You're so good!
Lang sa last ko, kuya eh. Oh, na-perfect kuya. Panalo po.
Ikaw nanalo.
Kuya, oo. Dilip pa sila kagad kuya.
Matapos ang nakakapagod na limbo dance, wow! Nakapag-pack massage ka pa talaga, Yong, ha? Susunod ang pagbabahagi ng masarap na pagkain ng Pinoy.
I'm vegetarian.
Hoy, sunod sa PBB Lucky Season.